The Stage 3 tax debate has actually become a bit of an all or nothing situation, but really what it should be about is opportunity, an opportunity to still be able to deliver tax cuts, but ones that are fairer and also be able to provide increased spending on services and especially government benefits. Last month, the Parliamentary Budget Office released a really useful tool that helps us build our own budget. Now, while this is fun for economic nerds, what's really good about it is it shows just how big and how unfair the cost of the Stage 3 tax cuts are. They're going to cost the budget around $300 billion over 9 years. Now that is a massive amount of money. That is so big that we could, instead of doing the Stage 3 tax cuts, lift JobSeeker from the current rate of $668 a fortnight to $1,925, and we'd still spend just a little bit less than the entire cost of these Stage 3 tax cuts. What the tool also shows is that we can adjust the tax rate so that we can deliver tax cuts, but do it in a lot fairer way. We could actually raise the tax-free threshold from its current rate of $18,200 to $27,100 and still have masses of money left over. But that raising of the threshold would actually give a better tax cut to middle income earners than is currently in the Stage 3 tax cuts. And so expensive are the Stage 3 tax cuts that we could do that and we could still raise the top tax threshold from $180,000 to $200,000. And guess what? We'd still be spending less than the Stage 3 tax cuts do, but it would be much fairer. So expensive are the Stage 3 tax cuts that we could actually raise JobSeeker from its current rate up to $1,025, which puts it where the Raise the Rate campaign is hoping to get it. But we'd still have so much money left over that we could still deliver some massive tax cuts, but they would be directed mostly towards low and middle income earners. For example, for incomes between $45,000 and $120,000, we could cut that tax rate from 32.5% to 30%. But we still would have money left over to be able to raise the top tax threshold from $180,000 to $200,000. If we did all of those things, we'd still be spending less than the entire amount of the Stage 3 tax cuts, but we'd be delivering a much fairer economy and a much fairer society. The Stage 3 tax cuts are so expensive, but overwhelmingly all the benefits go to rich people. We shouldn't, though, be thinking about it as an all or nothing proposition. What it is a massive opportunity. $300 billion over 9 years. That money could be spent so much better to make a much fairer economy, a much fairer society. We can still give everyone a tax cut, but we can help those on JobSeeker, help those on disability support pensions. We can fund government services better. But all we have to do is not deliver tax cuts where most of the benefits are going to the people who really don't need it.